Hey there traders, this is Chris Keene from akeenpointofview.com and this is Currency Watch. We have a few pairs that we're taking an interest in heading into Asian, European, and the end of trading in North America on Friday. First being, which I also created a 1-minute trading plan for, is the Great Britain USD. You can see this pair has broke the ascending trend line that has contained the price action. It broke through it actually yesterday and it moved up today in early New York trading to test the bottom of the line and has since markedly pushed back down lower. If the pair gets a good one daily close below 160, we could see a reversal in trend here. And the first level to be tested would be the 159.10 level, followed by the 158.22 level. So we'll look for a push down there, and you could put your stops right above this ascending trend line for the amount of risk you want to take is up to you. The next pair we're going to look at is the EURJPY, just because this pair has been a tricky beast as of late. It moved up towards 120 and basically in a vertical line since the job owning from Japan about the desire for a weaker yen, and then it was referred to earlier in the week that maybe the yen is now reasonably priced, and the yen and the yen crosses dropped lower, but now they shot back up after there was a rebuttal of that statement from the Japanese government. So let's take a look at how we're going to trade this, or what we're looking for in trading this pair, because it has been very volatile lately. You can see that the cross moved up to 120 and then moved back, and it didn't just stop and reverse anywhere. It reversed exactly at the 50 fib from the move higher, from the recent move higher since the beginning of the year at 116.83. As long as so now what we're watching, these are the levels we have in play. We have the 120 level and the 50 fib at 116.80, let's say, and we're going to look for a break or hold of either one of these levels. If we get up to 120 and we can watch the price action here and on the daily, on these 4-hour bars, if we get a negative like a shooting star or some sort, we could go short looking for a pushback down towards the 116.83 level. But if we do break below that, we could see a run continuing higher towards 120, 170, followed by 123.80. So just watch the top of the range at 120 and watch the price action there, look for a move down, and keep in mind that tonight we have some data coming out of China that could definitely affect the trading in the commodity currencies, and maybe even the euro and yen crosses, and that would be the GDP report from China, which is expected to be at 7.7%, and industrial production and so forth. These numbers could give an indication if the economy is still churning along, and maybe give us an idea to see if manufacturing base is continuing to perform. So with that, we'll take a look at the yen cross, just because you can see as long as the pair is above 88, we're going to be watching this top of this range right here, which comes in around 89.65. But more importantly, let's watch 90. Just look for a break of the 88 or 90, or you could try to play the range right here, right now. But be careful watching these levels heading into the end of the week. And the last pair we're going to look at is the AUDUSD, just because, as I said, with the data coming out of China, we could see a break of this range. It looked as though the pair had finally broke lower after the employment report yesterday, but it bounced right at 105, and which is a strong pivot level, and now is once again above the ascending trend line that had capped the price action. So a very nice false break there. So what we're going to do is, though, nothing has really changed. As we said, the broader range is just between 105 and 106. We need a break of those ranges to really get going, and more importantly, on the top side, 106.30 to really get things interesting. So everybody keep a lookout for the ranges, and you could try to play the inside of the ranges, just trying to scalp here and there if you'd like over the short term. All right, so everybody, remember we have important news coming out of China tonight, and also tomorrow we have the University of Michigan sentiment report. Everybody, good luck trading, and remember to keep your trades keen and play it safe.